guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm doing a set of nails for a collab. Aggie, channel name Unpolished by Aggie, has chosen the theme for this collab, and the theme that she has chosen is pop art. I'm so excited. I've been dying to do a pop art set of nails, so now is my perfect opportunity. But not only am I going to be doing just pop art, I want to also incorporate Pride into this set, as this month is Pride Month. What better opportunity to mix the two together? So let's see what I come up with, shall we? So I've pulled out a few rainbow coloured gel polishes, and the gel polishes that I'm going to be using today are Umikk gel polishes. I absolutely love using these. They're a really nice brand to use. Nice and opaque, which makes them ideal for nail art. So let's start with the background colours first. So my first two colours are going to be red and orange, U217 and U249. And I want to do a kind of fadey kind of background. Then I'm going to get my detailer brush and I am going to just mix these colours together. And I've got a little bit of kitchen roll here where I'm just cleaning my brush off between colours. On the pinky, I'm going to be using U254. Now on the ring finger, I'm applying U231. So now I'm using that U217, which is the Umikk red. I'm going to put a little bit of that nail here. Just want a little blob and a little blob for now. I'm just sketching out where I want these lips to be. So I pulled out my detailer brush and my Madam Glam white gel paint, and I'm just painting the two front teeth. Now I've pulled out the Madam Glam black gel paint and I'm just filling in the inside of the mouth. So on this ring fingernail, I want the word love inside of that love heart. And I did try painting the letters, but I couldn't do it. So I've pulled out these stickers. And then the O, I want that to be the pride peace sign, which I didn't have a sticker for. So I pulled out an O sticker, and I'm now going to go over that with the white gel paint. I just find it easier to go over the sticker than what it was to actually paint an O by myself. So on this pinking out, I want this to just be a plain purple nail with the light reflection line. So that's what I'm painting now with the white gel paint. So now we're on to the index fingernail, and I'm using the Madam Glam white gel paint again, and I'm going to paint a cloud kind of shape.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right.
So I've pulled out my dotting tool, and I'm going to be doing some drips coming off this love heart. So I always start off by doing the bottom of the drip first with the dotting tool, then dragging that excess paint up towards the bottom of the heart, and then I get my detailer brush and join them together. Now when you're joining these drips together, you want to make sure they're kind of arched, so they look like they're kind of glooping downwards. And now I'm going to do the exact same on this nail as well. I want some drips coming off those lips. Drips coming off those lips. So on this nail, I want the word pride. Again, I did try painting this, but my handwriting is not very neat anyway, and trying to paint it was really difficult. So I thought, no, get the stickers out again. And then I'm just going to outline that cloud with the Madam Glam Black Gel Paint. There's a lot of switching and swapping in this video, guys. Sorry about that, because I was just doing a bit on this nail, then a bit on that nail, then going back to that nail. It was very all over the place. So on this love nail, I am filling in the outline with the rainbow colours and filling in the drips as well. And then with the letters, I'm kind of ombreing the colours together. So the L is going to be red and orange, the V yellow and green, and the E is going to be blue and purple. And then the pride peace sign, I want to use all the colours. This was really difficult, so it took me so many times to fill that pride peace sign in. I ended up just doing little dots of each colour.
Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it's that. Being with you just feels right.
Now you'll see I've also coloured the drips in on this middle nail. Ignore that, guys, because that is not how it's going to look. When I had finished doing the background to this nail, the drips and the outline to the lips just blended in too much. You'll see in a minute. It blended in too much with the background. So you will see I'm going to go back over those drips in white, and I am going to do the rainbow colours again, but I'm going to do smaller sections.
You wanted honest, giving you my hand.
Now we're coming to do the comic book dots, and I'm just using a dotting tool for this. It's so easy, super easy.
Sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of.
So at this point I thought I had pretty much finished them. That's why I'm applying a coat of the Umikk matte top coat. So I'm going to apply that to all 4 nails, and then you'll see I changed my mind and I wanted to change a few things. So I realised that I'd forgot to do the light reflection marks on the lips, which makes them look nice and juicy and pouty. And then, like I said earlier, I was not happy with these drips and the outline to these lips. It just, can you see, it just fades in with the background. Because the middle colours was yellow and green and the background to this nail was yellow and green, yeah, it just blended in too much. So I'm now going over that with the Madam Glam white gel paint. And this is why I'm using the Madam Glam white gel paint, because it is super opaque. Look at that for one coat. It's covering all of those colours. Every single one of those rainbow colours covered with one coat. So now I'm going to fill those drips in again with the rainbow colours, but I'm going to be doing a lot smaller sections. So when it comes to the middle of the nail, it's not going to just be showing yellow and green. You should be able to see pretty much all of the colours. So that's those drips all cured. Don't that look so much better? It looks so much brighter. It actually looks like a rainbow now. Where, yeah, I didn't like it before. So now I'm using a clear builder gel, and I'm just applying that onto those lips to make them a little bit 3D. So now I've pulled out my pink carving gel and I'm making a tong. This is far too big. I had too much product there, so you'll see I'm going to take some off in a minute. And I'm just going to split that off with my nail and break it off and give it a little bit of a shape. And then I'm using my tweezers just to create that line down the middle. And my nail, I love this stuff, it's so easy to work with. Super easy. And then I'm creating a little hole because I want there to be a piercing in it. And then I'm going to stick some gem glue in that hole, stick a gem in it, cure it, and they're all done. What do you think, guys? I really, really like them. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I've been wanting to do a pop art set for ages. I've been wanting to do some proper freehand as well, so this was perfect for me. Really, really great choice. Everything that I've used today you'll find listed in my description box below. I'm also going to pop the playlist in my description box, and I'll pin it in my comments as well for everybody that took part. Some people have done YouTube videos, some people have posted pictures on their social media. So I'll leave all the links in my description box below. So that's everything for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you're not already. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.